Coevolution is a pretty interesting concept. It's kind of hard to wrap your brain around though, particularly because we use metaphors to describe complex things. For example, consider bees and flowers, two famously co-evolving people. The bees get free food from the flowers. The flowers get a free pollination service from the bees. They both benefit from this exchange. Of course, flowers and bees don't really think. They just do what their DNA tells them to do. How does this work? Imagine that once upon a time there were all kinds of bees and all kinds of flowers. And the ones that replicated the most were the bees and the flowers who had an accidentally evolved relationship where they helped each other out. Humans and dogs are the same way. Once upon a time there were only wolves. Wolves don't like humans, humans don't like wolves. But some wolves are too lazy to go hunting and not so afraid of humans. And they could bark pretty loudly. So these wolves got free food from human leftovers. And they protected their food source by barking and keeping away strangers. These lazy lucky wolves made a ton of copies of themselves, helped along by humans who liked these new animals very much. This is one hallmark of a very advanced society, of being able to take wild animals and domesticate them. This sounds a bit misleading. It sounds like they are taking one wild animal and then domesticating that same wild animal. Not true. They find a whole group of wild animals and find the most passive and trainable among that group. Then they breed those passive and trainable animals. Then from among those animals' kids, they breed only the most passive and most trainable. So over time, subsequent generations of those animals become more passive and more trainable. But the outcome is the same. Both sides of the trade gets a good deal. The people get animal helpers. The animals get a safe place to live, protection from predators, and a never-ending stream of food. What the heck does all this mean? We humans do the same thing with other humans. We create relationships where we both benefit. This is exactly how Adam Smith described economics. The bread maker benefits from making and selling bread. The customers benefit by buying and eating bread. This can also be applied to relationships. Make others feel good, and they will feel an ancient desire to reciprocate that good feeling. Easy peasy. To learn more, visit mindpersuasion.com/deep-connections.